Hi guys, welcome to Motor Maniacs. I am Akshay.
Hi guys, this is Prateek from Motor Maniacs.
So guys, recently अभी जैसे coming month के अंदर the month of May, you already know guys, is the month of DGR, Distinguished Gentleman Ride. So उस ride का जो एक purpose होता है is to raise money for men's prostate cancer.
Correct.
And अभी रिसेंटली पिछले साल नॉट ओनली मेंस प्रोस्टेट कैंसर बट उन्होंने एक मेंस मेंटल हेल्थ को भी इंक्लूड किया है अपने अवेयरनेस कैंपेन के अंदर और मनी रेज करने के लिए. सो व्हाई इज दैट? देयर आई बिलीव देयर इज अ कनेक्शन बिटवीन मोटरसाइकिल्स and men's mental health.
That's the reason we are with one of the iconic bikes in the history, the Harley Davidson and the Royal Enfield.
Yes, absolutely.
Both are core classic and raw metal machines.
Absolutely. So, Prateek, what is your take on the current times and motorcycles and mental health?
See, particularly if I talk about these days, the stress levels are on another level.
Yeah.
You can see काफी यंगस्टर्स जो आजकल हार्ट अटैक का शिकार हो रहे हैं, स्ट्रेस से जान दे रहे हैं अपनी.
करेक्ट.
कभी फाइनेंशियल स्ट्रेस होता है, फैमिली प्रेशर होता है, बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं, जॉब स्ट्रेस होता है. सो वेंट आउट करने के लिए चीजें क्या है हमारे पास?
There's
drinking, smoking,
Yeah.
which is again triggering your health.
yeah.
Then we have
Two wheels.
yes,
So guys, I just really want to break this down. I mean, what is it about motorcycles that really is impacting your benefiting your mental health? I would like to first start with the nature. I call it wind therapy. I mean, अगर आप एक कार में जा रहे हैं guys, you are really just in a cocoon, you are in a shell. And जब आप बाइक पे हैं आप, it's just a really visceral feeling, the way the wind touches you. जब आपको wind 80-90 की स्पीड पे जब आपको छूते हुए जा रही है.
we are in the open environment.
Yeah,
हम पहाड़ों पे
exactly.
हैं and आपको बर्ड्स की चॉपिंग सुनाई दे रही होगी अगर आपको आ रही है आवाज तो.
Yeah.
So it's very calm here.
There's something in the wind. I call it wind therapy for a reason. I mean, there's something that's really calming about it. दूसरी चीज जो है, I think Prateek, you will agree with me, is riding. अगर आप राइड करते हैं, you already know, but it wasn't easy to learn. I mean, बाद में हम चलो उसके एक रिदम में आ जाते हैं तो हमारे को फील नहीं होता that it's a really let's say बहुत एक कैलकुलेट करके चलना पड़ता है आपको, and that takes your mind out of a lot of things.
So basically यहाँ पे हम ऐड करना चाहूँगा, it is also a type of meditation.
It is a meditation.
Because when you're riding, you're focusing on the road, you're focusing on your bike, and आप meditation क्या होता है?
You cannot
You
think
are
of
sitting
anything
there
else.
idly and you are basically meditating to a point. आप एक
Yeah.
point को सोच के meditate कर रहे हो या एक चीज को सोच के meditate कर रहे हो
Yeah.
या भगवान का नाम जप रहे हो, तो वो क्या आपका distractions दूर करता है. So riding is again a thing that is basically taking you away from distractions. आप हेलमेट पहन के अपने आप से बातें करते हो,
Yes.
अपने आप से बात करते हो, सॉल्यूशंस देते हो चीजों
Yeah.
को, सॉर्ट आउट करते हो, एक छोटी राइड पे जाते हो, कॉफी पीने चले जाते हो.
Yeah.
सो वो एक मेंटल हेल्थ को बेटर करने के लिए एक ऑप्शन है.
क्योंकि आई बिलीव गाइस आजकल ना बहुत ज़्यादा, मैं आई कॉल इट मेंटल ट्रैफिक. इतनी सारी चीज़ें हैं, देयर सो मेनी थिंग्स दैट इज बॉम्बार्डिंग योर माइंड एंड योर ब्रेन कि सारी चीज़ों से एक मिनट के लिए डिस्कनेक्ट करने के लिए ना, you give yourself something that where you have to just give your 100% concentration. और उसके साथ ये हो जाता है कि आप बाकी सारी चीज़ें थोड़ी देर के लिए भूल जाते हो, which is again, I mean, it avoids the mental traffic, which is
we
amazing.
need a break. So this
Yes.
is the break that we are talking about.
Yes.
That is all DGR is all about. It's a break.
Yes, absolutely.
Break free from your worries, break free from your stress, and work on your mental health.
Yes. And I believe it's a really guys, if we go back in time when we used to ride horses and stuff, I mean, really going back a lot, you know. So that again used to be such a visceral activity where you were connected with the activity in such a way where the consequences were dire. If you fall down, even if you fall down from a bike, it's a
Correct.
really big problem. So the sort of concentration that you have to put in really takes you away from lot of unwanted stress, I would say. Right? So another thing, and I would like to add the third thing which I like the most is the places you take your bike. Now I would turn to Prateek for that.
Why me?
Yeah. So we call him our tourer. So he has done the most amount of touring, much more than me. So I would like to turn to Prateek for this.
So you basically just take out a map and you point. Okay, you see a video, you see a, get to know a place through Google, and you just want to ride and know it. So precisely, sorry about the disturbance because we are on a road.
Yeah.
So it's okay. So नई जगह आपने जाना है, आप टूरिंग करते हो, you meet new people, you know about their culture. I'm not talking about regular places. मैं regular tourist destination की बात नहीं कर रहा यहाँ पे.
Yeah.
I'm talking about the places which is uncovered, unheard of. So उससे आपको benefit क्या मिलता है? You become curious. Then you get to know their issues, their problems, how they are living in those areas जहाँ पे basic amenities भी मिलना मुश्किल है. So मेरे साथ क्या है? I go on solo trips for a long days, long time, as well as to a places where I sometimes do not get network also. So जगह पे रहना, अपने आप को संभालना and basic necessities से जुगाड़ करना. This helps you to learn new things. How to guess basic things in the direct consequences, और हम कहते हैं efficiently manage करना, sustainable management.
Yeah.
जिससे पता लगता है कि हम लोग क्या destroy कर रहे हैं नेचर को and sustainable management कैसे की जाए with the limited amount of resources you have, and you learn about your bikes, learn about yourself.
You get away from the concrete jungle.
Correct.
I would like to say, because a sort of person that he is, because he lives in a concrete jungle, and whenever he has to, I believe whenever he has to recharge, he comes to maybe places like this, where you can experience the air, experience the nature, uncocooned. You're not cocooned in a car. You are really one with the nature. You are really the wind touches you. You smell things. You really feel the nature.
Correct. All your 5 senses are working.
Yeah.
And you basically get into your 6th sense.
Yeah.
And
because there's balance involved. I mean, guys, जो लोग नहीं मोटरसाइकिल चलाते, they will know that लोगों को लगता है कि ये दो जो आप पहियों पे बाइक चला रहे हो, it's like a circus. बस because you need that sort of balance, you need that sort of
basically life का circus से निकलने के लिए है.
Like a circus से निकलने के लिए. And what do you think about the maintenance part? Does that give you a bit of pleasure as well?
Pleasure also, sometimes pain also. But yes, you learn to efficiently use your money. And because you know this is your priority, so you spend less on less important things.
Yeah.
So you have your priorities set in life.
Maintenance, and maybe I don't know, a lot of bikers will relate. The sort of peace that you feel when you clean your bike.
Correct.
You spend a Sunday morning cleaning your bike, spending like 1 or 2 hours on it, and somehow you feel
happy,
better.
Satisfied.
Somehow you feel better.
Yes.
I don't know what it's about, but there's something going on.
There's a lot of chrome you have up in cleaning also. So that's again. So all in all, yes, DGR is basically for men's mental health these days, because times have come that we start focusing on our mental health as well as the physical health.
Yes.
Both go side by side.
So both go hand in hand, and DGR is a brilliant initiative, guys. I try to attend that ride and contribute whatever I can every year, and we urge you guys to do the same. It's an amazing
Take
event.
care of yourself.
Yes.
Doesn't matter what bike you have. Start riding, start exploring with all the safety gears, safety nets, and you'll see a difference in yourself after some time. Hopefully,
and absolutely. Whoever I've talked to, if there's a biker, they say you never see a bike outside the psychiatrist's office.
Correct.
So there's something going on, guys. I mean, it's this sort of thing is real.
Exactly. So guys, do like, subscribe and share the video. Thanks for watching, guys.
Yeah, thanks for watching, guys.